Hey everyone, in this video I'm just going to show you how to install the SQLiteStudio in Ubuntu 19.1. I'm creating a small series of videos on databases and database queries and database administration, especially targeted for people who are not really a full-fledged DBA like myself. And I'm going to use the SQLite a lot, and the SQLiteStudio is a very good feature-rich IDE that you can use to interact with the SQLite, and I would highly recommend that you use that. So since I'm using the Ubuntu, all I did, I went first to the SQLite download page, and from there it's just giving me a link to the GitHub release page. I went in there, and you have different files. For the Linux, they have the installer file, install SQLiteStudio 3.2.1. so this is that file. I just downloaded to my downloads folder, and if I do the ls on it, that file, the permission was not right, so I ran this command chmod a+x on this file to make it executable. And the next thing that I'm going to do right now is to install it. So just do this and then hit enter, and that gives me the installation wizard. So I'm just going to go through it. Opt is a good folder to install following the Linux convention, so I like that, so I'm going to keep it. And it's going to take about 55 megabytes. It's fine. That's all right. Install, and it's enter your password to authorize for sudo. Just provide your sudo password. Okay, and the installation continues. Pretty quick installation, and seems like it's all done, and it just says run SQLiteStudio, so why not? So let's see if it opens up properly. I did get a warning over here, qstring arg, but warning, who cares about the warnings, right? We only care about the errors. For the first time, when it opens up, it asks you for my language of choice. So I'm in the US, I'm going to use the American English, and I say okay, that's good. And here we go. So I have this SQLite available to me now. Now I can do stuff with it, add a database, connect to a database, and start writing some stuff. And we'll be using this in our next video, and I'll show you the different features of the studio. But for this one, that's all you need to do. It's pretty simple installation. It's actually very simple, and I like it. So just go ahead and try it out and get your SQLiteStudio installed and start some coding. So start some writing declarative programming language, right? Have fun with it. Thank you.